What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we will be vlogging a minor league baseball game with the Rochester Red Wings taking on the Braves affiliate. I'm not sure where they're from, but they are called the Braves, but they're the Atlanta Braves affiliate. And at this game, Jerry the King Lawler will be there, WWE Hall of Famer. What's going to be happening is I'm going to this game with Danny, and I will vlog the part of me meeting Jerry the King Lawler. Danny's not actually going to do that. Danny's going to focus on getting some autographs from some of the minor league players, like for practice, such as Kyle Wright. Like, if I'm done with the getting Jerry the King Lawler's autograph early, I will be going down and I'll try to get Kyle Wright to sign this card. As well as I have a few baseballs for other players, and Danny has some duplicates of some Twins cards. And then I also have some Sharpies, so like upstairs I have a gold, silver, black, and bronze Sharpie, so that should work good with the cards. And possibly the baseballs. I have 2 baseballs, and then for Lawler to sign, I have my program from my last WWE show I went to, which is on my other personal channel. If you just look up J Lynch 213, you will be able to find that and watch that video. Very good video. It has about 6,000 views, which is very absurd, seeing as that channel only has 134 subscribers. And yeah, so I have that program, and Jerry Lawler's picture is in it, so I'll have him sign his picture. This will be our second vlog, and possibly more vlogs coming. I know Danny is going to a Philadelphia Phillies game, and he might vlog there. But our main focus of this is to get some autographs from Jerry Lawler and some of the players, and have some fun and make a vlog for you guys. So yeah, this is just the intro of this video. It's about 2 hours away from me leaving, because I'm leaving a little bit early to arrive when gates open. That way I can be one of the first people to get Jerry Lawler's autograph, so I don't have to wait. And also, so I can finish that and go down and watch some practice, get some autos, and yeah, so see you guys when we get to the game.
How mad would you get?
There are 4 hitters coming up. There are 4 hitters up.
Gardens is clean up. Then they also have
Might not focus. Yeah, it's not gonna focus, but Brandon Barnes is up.
Also, we have Ronald Torres from the Yankees on the team now.
On walk-off right here. Ooh.
2 outs, our last hope.
At least hit a base hit, scoring 2, bring us into extras.
I basically wouldn't score 2. It's first and second. I mean, a double.
A little double. Wow.
Base hit! Base hit!
Let's go. Like his theme song comes the reliever. Out to the Queen, facing Trish Stratus at SummerSlam. Woo!
really like draft. Can win it here. It's a walk-off. Runners on the corners. 2 outs.
Come on, just a little blooper to center or something. Scores a run, and then get an out, and we go into extras so we can have a little bit more fun.
Okay, just win. It's fine.
Yeah.
Walk off. Down to our last 2 strikes.
Jeez.
Yeah, he was up in the majors.
Well, I didn't know that was his first pitch, so he's warm from the
Yeah.
bullpen. Ooh, I don't think so. No, ball.
We get bases loaded.
Xander wheels up.
Oh, dude, why didn't they put him in front of Diaz?
I know.
Diaz was not even.
He had a bomb earlier.
He did? No, he didn't. Or you mean Xander Wheel?
Yeah, Xander wheel.
Diaz.
Xander wheel hit the bomb earlier.
Yeah, over there.
Yeah. He hit it all the way out of the park.
Not out of the park, it bounced over the way. So intense.
I know. Oh, last strike.
Batting 373.
Who's next? It's over. If it's over, I am running and getting autos.
He's gonna strike out.
I hope not. Hit him. Oh, staying alive. Jeez.
1-2, 2 outs.
Oh my god, I'm like anxiety right now. He's gonna strike out.
2-2.
He chokes up so much.
If he walks him, we got Lawler back up.
Xander wheel. Almost got his autograph.
He strikes out.
Oh, staying
I
alive.
thought he struck out.
He's gonna fly out or
This
something.
is the 7th pitch of the at-bat coming.
Yankees beat the Orioles 14-2. Just got the notification.
Yeah, that's expected. Orioles is one of the worst teams in baseball.
The Yankees probably put on a clinic.
Yeah. 2-2, 2 outs.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
22 up to the dish.
Don't do it.
Like
2-2-2.
22.
22. Oh my god. Oh! Oh, in the suite. Oh wait, no. No, it didn't. It went. No, it went.
8th pitch coming up. Or eight pitches. Watch, he's gonna come with the changeup.
Right.
Changeup. Calling it. Second mid-80s, it's a changeup.
Oh! Wow! Trash. They're gonna do the fireworks, but right now Jerry Lawler's talking. So we got Ryan Eads. Danny and I both got Ryan Eads. Then I also got Jake Reed. Autograph. Preston, where's that one? Preston Gilmet. And Jake Reed closed out the game, so it's pretty decent. And
Also,
then
I got another toss-up here. I got a toss-up from the coach His name's Diaz, and his last name. Here it is. And my autograph.
And then Jake Reed was like closing out the game pitching. I don't think did he close out? He pitched during the game. I don't know if he closed. And then Ryan Eads has been in the MLB. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. We didn't get much filming of the actual game, but we did get some cool stuff. Me meeting Lawler and getting a few autographs. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bray Wyatt comes out of the firework. He flies up in the air. Down, 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 down. Ah! What is it gonna say? ESL? Stupid. It's gonna say woo. Goldberg? That's Goldberg. Ah! It's like DX fireworks. I don't like that it's all old people. Like, as much as I like break it down. Oh! That's some disrespect to Stone Cold Steve Austin. I feel like it should be more intense for him. Some middle finger fireworks. ECW. Yes, or unless it's Sabu. No, it's just ECW. He's here! He's here! He's here! It's Kane Fireworks! No way. Wow. They end with Becky? Wow.